the coast. Rain coming in. Me, I don't know when I'll get back again. So many places I went, people I knew, what I did, what I saw, that never happened again. But it's alright. Go out and do as much as we can. Come home and get a sleep at night if you can. I will always keep my heart open. I will always walk in the presence with God. That unlimited plasmic giant eternal consciousness that's around me, with me, through me, everywhere I go. My life is just kind of temporary. I know when I return to God, it'll be warm and loving and tender. There'll be no pain or sorrow, like the old hymns say. It'll just be consciousness of love, absorbing me, cradling me, taking me in, and letting me say